about 80 degrees outside, and the birds are looking happy as little clams. They look like they're getting ready to launch, but it's a beautiful day for them. They're all kind of packed up in the back. They're pretty scared. And let's see if this is staying in focus. There we go. That's Chewee. Center, and you can see everybody else in the back. They have most of their wings, and hopefully I can catch them trying to launch. They go on the side of the nest, and they sit there for a while. They try and get the guts to go, and then they get back in the nest, and then they try and launch out. It's pretty funny. So hopefully I'll be able to catch some of that in the next couple of days, because they'll be leaving. Anyway, these are the birds. Happy Thursday, everyone. They're trying to talk to me now. Hold on. You can see their white tummies a little bit. See them in the back? Hey guys, I love you. They've gotten much louder. Talk to me, Chewee, talk to me. There they are. Now I think they're getting kind of mad. Thanks guys for watching. Say bye, birds.
What?